How to recover deleted Telegram channel. So if you want to recover deleted Telegram channel, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. Make sure that you have an internet connection. After opening your Telegram, now you just need to simply go with a channel. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a channel, which is this one. Once you've selected the channel, now you need to tap and hold on to it and then go with delete, which is on the top right, and tap on leave channel. And now here on the bottom right, you will have undo option. You can just simply tap on undo and it will be recovered. But unfortunately, if you've not tapped on undo and it has been deleted, then what you can do is you just need to simply go with search, which is on the top right, and here you need to search for the same channel. After searching, here you will have the same channel, so you can just simply go with join, which is on the bottom, and you'll be able to join that channel again. That's it. That's how you can recover your deleted Telegram channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.